非常之熱啊！你睇下我呢位大媽佬呢位啊，好似俄羅斯娃娃。我哋終於坐到呢一個船仔啦，依然係俄羅斯娃娃同埋呢一個大媽。
The poor, they were just scholars and priests. Okay, and you're just travelling up for the day?
Yeah. 過緊數字橋啊！
嗰個咧就係 King's College 咧。
So this tree is called a willow.
Willow.
It's hanging branches. But on the first day landed this helicopter opposite the college buildings. So of course, I mean, what other student can fly into college in a helicopter? Yeah, he said to have got a 2-1. The only reason he got in was because his mother wrote a letter of recommendation. Just mind your arm.
呢條係
Because it goes straight to the
橋啊，
kitchen.
即係話咧啲人考試嘅時候咧，成日都會排聲啊，係啦，就係呢條。
Otherwise known as the Bridge of Sighs.
Bridge of
Sighs. So it's not a replica of the Bridge of Sighs in Venice, but
除咗有專業嘅導遊撐之外呢，大家都可以選擇自己撐㗎。另外，亦都會有一啲私人嘅撐船仔體驗，最適合一家大細同埋一班朋友一齊開 Party
，okay, you lucked out there. Absolutely lucked out.
最好嘅方式玩劍橋就梗係撐船仔啦！